Hi there, today in this session I will talk about Java StringBuffer class. Basically, in the earlier session we discussed that strings and string methods where I told you string is immutable. It cannot be changed or modified. Every time you need a modification, you need to create or it will create a new string object or string variable. But StringBuffer is immutable. It means it is modifiable. You can easily modify the string values inside it. It provides us with a way to make the string mutable in Java. And these strings are safe to be used by multiple threads simultaneously. And multiple threads can also modify it. In order to give this advantage to the string buffer, the implementation is slight. Same with the different class. That's a StringBuilder class. It has the methods like append, insert, delete and reverse. As I told you, it allows the string to be modified. So let's get practically implemented. So here what you need to do is you need to instantiate your string buffer that's available in Java then package. Assigning the hello as a string, hello world. If in case I just assign hello so that I can make append buffer, then hello world. And here I can print my string buffer. You can also work onto the capacity if you will initialize your string buffer empty and you will see the initial size of this object. You can just try printing buffer capacity. So you can see that the capacity is Abbayi, which is a bits. And the moment you add volt, it will be printing and adding onto the capacity itself. So this is how the string buffer works. I will compare the string buffer with the StringBuilder. The next set we have is a StringBuilder. StringBuilder is also a class which provides us with immutable things, but with a lack of thread safety, it cannot be used by multiple threads. That's a major difference. Let me just do the StringBuilder implementation for you. StringBuilder builder new StringBuilder. So guys, here I'm putting onto this hello because I wanted to make a comparison to my board strings hello. And later I can also check the capacity here if this method is available. And here builder append world. And then later I would like to just print my StringBuilder post that I can first make it run and then make a performance test. So you can see that both are working same. But as I told you, lack of performance issue is there. So what we are doing is, let's say we have a string buffer where we have hello world. Here I'm going to, rather than putting it up and printing world and just comparing, I wanted to iterate my for loop that starts from index I goes till I less than I this much of appends I wanted to do. So I'll say buffer, append world at times. And I'm going to print system out taken by string buffer. As system current time in milliseconds minus the start time how it needs to be calculated before starting the operation. Long start time system current time in milliseconds. Same thing I wanted to calculate for the StringBuilder. I'll just copy this loop for the StringBuilder. And then just run and check the time taken by the string buffer and the StringBuilder. StringBuffer will take more time as compared to the StringBuilder because StringBuilder is, although it's unsafe to use for the multi-threading, but it is the fastest amongst all the mutability and does not allow multiple threads operations at the same time. That's what it is faster as compared to the StringBuffer. I hope it is clear to all of you. So see you in the next session. Until next time, stay tuned. Thank you.